guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I am going to do a quick DIY. This is a mirror home decor or wall decor piece for you. What you'll need for this project is a Dollar Tree mirror. You'll need cardboards. You can use the one from your grocery store, which is free, or you can use the Dollar Tree cardboard that I'm using. I decided to use it because it's much thinner. It works nicer for me. You will also need these little confetti pop-up. Well, these aren't the pop-ups. These are the cups. These are the pop-up ones. Stickers. I have 3 of them, but I'm not sure if I need all 3, so we'll see. And 1 of the small ones. So, you will need your glue gun, glue sticks, your razor, and your scissors. You'll also need some beads, the Dollar Tree beads. You can use gold or silver. I'm not quite sure what color I'm going to use. I'll probably do the two-tone. I want to leave my mirror also in black. I think I'm going to do that. Alright, you will need some spray paint, and I will go ahead. Let's go ahead and glue this down. Let's glue this down. And I think I will have to go in sections because I want to make sure that this does, it lines up evenly. We're not going to close the whole thing in because I will have to make my mirror in. But okay, lay your mirror, your cardboard down. Just like that. And you may want to know the measurement. You can do whatever it is you want as far as measurement. I am using the charger, like I always do. I always use the charger. So my goal is to get this in here like that. But I am not going to spray the black. I want to leave it open. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add the Dollar Tree stickers onto the cardboard. Now I didn't glue them down because I wanted to see how they would look. So what I want to do now is go ahead and hot glue them down. So right in place where they are, I'm going to pick them up, add the glue, and lay them back down. So this did take all 3. Actually, it took the 2 large ones and a small one, and then I needed 3 out of this pack. So you will need to go ahead and buy 5. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead now and hot glue these down, and then I will come back after I've spray painted it. This is how it looks now. When I come back, it'll be all one color, but it'll have a bubble effect, and that's what I'm looking for. Okay? Okay guys, as usual, I forgot to put my gloves on, and I've got paint everywhere. But I want to show you how beautiful it turned out. So what I did, I spray painted it black all the way, then I spritzed it with the red, and after I spritz it with the red, I did silver to tone out the red. Then I added a little bit more black spritz, and I basically kept spritzing it with the silver, the gold, the silver, the red, and the black till I get the color I wanted. And then I finished it off with a little spritz of gold. And that's how it turned out. I love it. I think it looks great. So now I have like a tarnish color. I am going to go ahead and insert my mirror in. And maybe I should have done the mirror in silver. I don't know. I kind of wanted black though. So let's see. I'm putting it underneath the mirror. I did that wrong. Oh, and I put my thing. Let me pause, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so as I'm inserting this, I realize I did not take the back off. I do want the back off because that's how I'm going to hang the mirror on the wall. So what I do want to do is to remove the mirror, and I want to add some glue, generous amount of glue down, so I can glue the mirror onto the frame. Need to move quickly so my glue doesn't dry on me. To use every part of my body on this thing. Started to dry. Okay, let's see if we can get that centered. See what that looks like. Fairly good. Thing, so I'm assuming it held. Okay, so now let's see if I can. I'm going to get this mirror and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I don't want for the mirror to be flat, so I targeted where I wanted the mirror to be, and so I laid some glue there, and now I'm going to just add just a bit more to secure it. I'm putting it down in the hole where the mirror is going to be. Now I'm going to slightly move the mirror down because I don't want to have this flat. So the glue will hold the mirror in place of where I want it to stay. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry. I'll come back and show you where we are. So I got the mirror where I want it to be. It dried, the glue, and so now I want to go ahead, since I'm happy with that, and close up the gap of this board. So I'm going to lay my glue down on the inside. And guys, excuse the paint on my hand. I know it looks awful. I will wash it in a bit. Put a generous amount of glue down and press. Press down on it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead because I have to go all the way around and come back. So now that I'm finished with that, I want to go ahead and add my beads around on the inside where I add my mirror, because if there's any glue or any imperfections, I want to hide that. So add some glue down and take your beads and press against your glue. So if there's any imperfection, that's going to hide it. Go ahead, lay the glue down and press against the wall of your mirror. There will be cobwebs, just clean that up afterwards. Don't need to worry about it right now. Alright, that's how it's going to look. I'm going to finish it up and then start on the outside, come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I went ahead, add the beads to the end, all the way around. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love that. Can you believe that's just a kid's toy? I'm amazed. I love it. So what I want to share with you guys is that I used the Dollar Tree beads, and I also added the diamond wrap around, and as well as the inside of the mirror, I went ahead and added some of the beads as well. So this is my wall mirror decor. I absolutely love it. I will put it on the wall and let you get a really good view of it. Alright guys, hold on. I forgot to mention that I have to put the back on. Usually, I just put the back on. Someone asked me, several people ask me all the time, what do I use? I normally use the command strip, but today I am going to use the actual frame that the mirror comes with, backing that the mirror comes with. So, just put that there. And yes, I believe it will be strong.
Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the way it looked. You cannot tell that this is kids' sticker that created this wall mirror decor. Guys, if you like it, I hope that you'll give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your participation and your comments. It really means a lot to me. I truly thank you guys for your support. All right, thank you so much again. I love it. I hope you do too. See you on my next DIY.